I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure you don't get lost. First, always prepare thoroughly before any adventure. Research your destination, understanding the terrain and potential weather. Crucially, tell someone your exact route and when you expect to be back. Pack essential items like a physical map, a compass, and enough water and food for your trip. Also, ensure your phone is fully charged, and consider bringing a portable power bank for extra peace of mind. Next, mastering navigation is crucial for staying on track. Learn how to read a topographic map and use a compass. These are reliable tools that don't depend on batteries. While GPS devices and smartphone apps are helpful, use them as supplementary aids. Always pay close attention to distinct landmarks and natural features around you. Make it a habit to regularly check your current position against your map or navigation device to confirm you are still on your intended route. If you find yourself disoriented, the most important thing is to stay calm. Try to retrace your steps to your last known location. If that's not possible, employ the STOP method. Stop, think, observe, and plan. Signal for help using 3 short blasts on a whistle, a universally recognized distress signal, or by displaying bright-colored clothing. Conserve your energy and any remaining resources, such as water and food, while you wait for assistance to arrive. Finally, to stay found and safe, always stick to marked trails and avoid the temptation to venture into unknown territory. Whenever possible, travel with at least one companion. There is safety in numbers. Always carry a small, well-stocked first aid kit for any minor injuries or unexpected emergencies. Most importantly, know your physical limits and be prepared to turn back if the weather or trail conditions become too challenging or unsafe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.